I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe packing video. Today I have the adorable new snow day print from JuJuBe and Tokidoki. It is absolutely adorable, you guys. I think it's my new favorite, and that's because, of course, it is pastel. But also look at I love all the scenes and everything. They're so cute. Everybody is bundled up in their best winter gear, and I just love it. It is so cute. So perfect for winter time and also transitioning to winter from fall right now. So I love that. But today I'm going to go ahead and pack this up for you. I'm doing this a little bit differently. Normally I don't do a packing video where you guys can see me, but I thought I'd change it up today and you'll have to let me know what you think. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with just a quick look around the bag. As you guys can see on the front here, you have a nice size zippered pocket on the front. It has one zipper pull, and your zipper pull is actually this adorable little guy right here. He has a little hat with a pom-pom on it. It's so cute. I love it. And so this is kind of like your mommy pocket if you intend to use this bag for yourself, but you can also use this bag for your child. They can wear it to preschool. Normally at preschool, you don't really need much besides like a change of clothes and maybe just a little snack or something. So this is a great bag for that. Or also dropping off at nursery and things like that at church. So I love this style for that. But if you intend to use it for yourself, this is a great park bag, you guys. I have used this before when I went to Kings Island, and it was a different print, but it was a great bag for that day because it's lightweight. It didn't make me sweaty or anything like that. It really just doesn't weigh you down. So I love that. So that is your front look. So cute, I love that. You have a little grab handle up here. And this is webbed, so you have like seatbelt strap type of material up there. This is the back of the bag. You have padded straps. They're very lightly padded, but they are very comfortable. You have very adjustable straps, so if you tend to be a little taller, you can extend this pretty far, and if you're short like me, or if you're just a child or something like that, then you can shrink this down pretty well. And one of the things that I noticed about this bag that I didn't have, I don't think, on my other bag is you actually have a little wrangler down here, and it's an elastic piece that keeps your strap connected down here, and it is movable, so you can move it if you want. But I love that. I feel like with this bag before that they didn't have that, and you just always kind of had straps dangling. So I really like that they changed that. Another thing I wanted to mention is I just love the enamel tags. This bag has matching enamel tags to match this super pretty blue color, which also matches the lining and the zippers. It's so cute, you guys. I love it. But you also have this main compartment here, and you have some pretty decent storage in there as well. You have one little slip pocket, which can definitely fit an iPad, and it's padded a little bit too. Or if you had a change pad, you could stick it in there as well. And you could definitely use this as a quick trips out diaper bag if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unpacking it. I don't have a ton in here. I don't tend to pack heavy anymore now that it's just me. My kids are they're old enough to carry their own stuff now. So let's go ahead and go through the mommy pocket. So in the very front here, I just have my phone. And that is an iPhone 14 Pro. Hopefully get an upgrade soon. And then you have this super cute little zippered pocket. And that is the perfect place to keep hair ties, chapstick, things like that that you just don't want open and falling around in the rest of the pocket. So in there, I just have a pack of gum, and I also have a chapstick, one of my top favorites. I get compliments on this one everywhere I go, even in coffee shops when I've just applied it. People are like, wow, that smells so good. And I'm like, it's just my chapstick. And then every time I put it on in the car, the kids are like, what is that? It smells so good. Basically, it's birthday cake, you guys. Birthday cake EOS. And I will link everything that I can in this video down in the description below for you. So if you want lots of compliments on your chapsticks, there you go. And that is all that I had in the front pocket, but perfectly smooth zippers as usual. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this actually has a double zipper opening on the very front here. And this is how I have it packed up. Kind of hard to show, but there you go. There are two little elastic mesh pockets on the inside of the bag as well, and I'll show you guys that and how it looks empty after I empty it out a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through the main compartment first. And right on top here, as you guys can see, I have my Chanel sunglasses. They are a must-have. They go with me everywhere. So comfortable. Most comfortable sunglasses I have ever owned. Worth the money, for sure. Also down in there, I have a medium set piece in the Snow Day print. How adorable is that? And oh my gosh, I forgot I had perfect print placement with Donatella there. That's my favorite print placement on this whole set. And I would love to know down in the comments below, what is your perfect print placement for this as well? But let's go ahead and dive into this pouch. Okay, I forgot what I had in here, but I have a lot of like really random things. So I have a folding hairbrush with a mirror. I also have a little measuring tape here, and that goes with me everywhere because my mom and I like to go shopping a lot, and I am a huge like furniture hoarder because I always intend to refinish things and then I don't. But I always need to make sure things are gonna fit, so that has to go with me everywhere. I also have my inhaler. I have little single sheet soap sheets, and these are great if you guys go somewhere and they don't have soap, which happens so many times to me, you guys, so this is great just in case. I also have hand cream, love this one, and then I have a sanitizer just in case. So that is all that I had in this pouch. Let's go ahead and move on to the other one. Right in front of that is my small set piece. This is what it looks like, so cute. And in here I just have all of my favorite lipsticks, and I do use at least 2 on a daily basis, and I always change it up, so it's really fun to have different colors depending on how I'm feeling. So that's what I have in my small set piece. Now we are getting pretty empty, as you guys can see. Also back here you can see this is the little padded sleeve I was talking about, and there I just have my wallet. And this is such a great wallet, you guys. I love it. I'll show you guys real quick. This is my Madewell Essentials wallet, and I will link this down below as well. It's a must-have. It's so slim. Whoop, I have a receipt that just fell out. But look at that. I love it. You have little pockets down in there on that side and that side. You have this little snap pocket that holds stuff, and a money slot too, which I don't keep money in there, but I keep a lot of coupons. So I'm obsessed with that wallet. It takes me a long time to move out of wallets that I really like, so I usually get pretty stuck on that. Also, let's go ahead and move to the side pockets. Can you guys see those? Hopefully you can see that. But there are 2 little mesh pockets which are great for holding a small bottle of water, or if you are bottle feeding, a smaller bottle would fit great in there as well. So on one of the sides, I just decided to utilize only one of the pockets, and I have my eye brightening stick. I don't know if you guys have ever used this one, but this is a great one to take with you just out and about. I love it. This is what mine looks like. So great, and you just put it right under your eyes, smooth it in, and it just instantly makes you look like you're more awake, which I need. Also in the side pocket here, I have 2 more things. I have a little scrunchie, super soft. This one's bamboo, I love it. And then I also have a Kitsch clip. I love the metal ones. They just look so much fancier than plastic. But that's all that I had in my bag. And I just love this style, you guys. And I would love to know down in the comments below, did you guys get anything from this release? And if you did, please just let me know what you got, because this was a must-have. And they didn't have too many big style bags, but I would have loved to have gotten, or at least have seen, a Super Bee in this print. I think they had to be light, but the Super Bee is like, for me, a collectible in all of these prints. I love that. So I really love this bag, and I hope you guys did too. If you enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me, I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime. Thanks for watching.